In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change default fonts in Google Sheets. So the default font is applied automatically when you have your text, and that default font is found right here. Now this is depending on the theme that's applied on your spreadsheet, but we can definitely change it. Let's go to Format. Click on that. Under that you have Theme. Click on that, and you have a side panel appear on the right. As you can see, there are different types of themes that you can apply to your spreadsheet. Right now, the standard is applied on this spreadsheet. We can customize it to change the font right here. So again, the default font right now is Arial. Same as here. And we can just change it by clicking on this arrow down and choose from the available fonts. Let's try and change it to Georgia. And it has automatically applied that font to the text on your spreadsheet. Let's try and change it to another one. Let's try Courier New. And there you have it. Once you're done choosing the font that you want as your default font, you can just click on Done. And now you have a customized theme applied to your spreadsheet. And if you check right here, again, the default font is Courier New. And that's how to change default fonts in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.